Welcome. Today's recipe is chicken 65. Let's see how to make the recipe. Take 300 grams of chicken in a bowl. Then add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of multi-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 whole egg. Put it all together and mix it well. Marinate this for at least 1 hour. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, heat a fry pan and add required oil to fry the marinated chicken pieces. Once the oil is heated up, put the chicken pieces. I have just used little oil to shallow fry. If you would like to deep fry, then pour some more oil. It will take at least 10 minutes to cook. Flip the pieces and make sure both the sides are fried evenly. Fry them until it turns to brown. Now the color is changed. Now we will take it out, and it's ready to serve now. Try this at your home, and if you like the recipe, share with your friends and subscribe us. Thank you.